Hello again. Our first card today is unlikely. Make your dreams real. If you don't take action, nothing is going to work out for you. Take baby steps and let these things work for you. You need to ask help from others. Take a leap of faith. Don't be scared. There's a lot of people out there that want to help. It's up to you. Bring a gentle touch. That's very sweet. Listen to your intuition. Be peace. Trust the wolf spirit. Turn knowledge into wisdom. There is success with the hawk spirit. Let spirit be your guide. There's peaceful resolutions. The coyote spirit says, trust the divine detours. Trust they're guiding us because they are. Stop romancing over things that and doing not taking action. It's time for a deep dive and see where you can make little changes in your life for the better. Co-create with spirit, that's the crow spirit. There is recovery for all of us. Thanks for watching.